Let me show you how to cut out hair in Adobe Photoshop. Duplicate the image layer by pressing Ctrl J. Choose the background layer and let's add a solid color over it. Let's choose any light color. Choose this upper layer. Now pick any of these brushes to get the select subject and select and mask. Choose select and mask. Select onion skin so that the background is shown. Make sure the transparency is 100. Now press select subject. You can also change the view to on layers. Now choose between object aware or color aware depending on your image too. For this image color aware is better. Choose the refine edge brush and let's refine the edges of the hair. Now choose decontaminate color. Have a look at it before decontaminate colors. After decontaminate colors, it simply expands it. Choose new layer with layer mask. It's going to create a new layer with the same layer mask in here. Hold Alt and click on the mask. Let's refine the mask. Take the brush. Choose the blend mode overlay. Make sure the foreground color is white. If you paint outside it won't paint on black areas. Hold Alt and click on the mask to see the image and see what needs to be fixed. We are refining the mask. Hold Alt and click on the mask. Now create a new layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the blending mode to color. Choose the brush tool. Change the mode to normal. Decrease the flow to 40%. Hold Alt and take a sample of the hair and start painting. Take another sample from each part of the hair and start painting. We are fixing the hair color. Hold Alt and take a sample of the hair and start painting. Choose this layer. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Choose this layer. Change the blending mode to multiply so that we darken the hair color. Choose this layer. Double-click here to go to blend in mode. Take this slider from left to right. Hold Alt and click to break it apart. Here's the before, here's the after. You can change the background color if you want. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials in my channel. Thank you for your support.